Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: the balance in the accumulated depreciation account represents the amount changed to expense in the current period. Cash fund to be used to replace plant assets. Amount charged expense since the acquisition of the plant assets. Amount to be deducted from the cost of the plant asset to arrive at its fair market value. And the answer of the question is: the balance in the accumulated depreciation account represents the amount charged to expense since the acquisition of the plant asset. Accumulated depreciation is a contra asset account that shows the total amount of depreciation expense that has been recorded against a plant asset since its acquisition. Depreciation expense is a systematic allocation of the asset's cost is recorded as depreciation expense on the income statement, and simultaneously the same amount is accumulated in the accumulated depreciation account on the balance sheet. Therefore, the correct depreciation of the balance in the accumulated depreciation account is that it represents the total amount charged to expense since the acquisition of the plant asset. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.